I live here in Southern California. The views are great, the weather is pleasant, and everyone lives on top of each other. Workshops aren't easy to come by around here, and neither are garages, come to think of it. When I'm not doing my day job, I love to build furniture using tools and techniques that are super accessible. I started woodworking a couple of years ago. My wife and I got married with zero furniture. After getting a miter saw, I thought I might be able to build something better and more to our aesthetic than what I could buy. And I'm still doing that. I love to build simple, elegant, strong designs that put the wood first. I don't get into a lot of fancy joinery, and I'm not a hand tool snob. I'm happy to use whatever I have at hand to get the best result. I realize I'm getting into the YouTube game about a decade or so too late. But my bet is that there's plenty of you out there who might get something from seeing what can come out of a little shop that spends half of its time holding a car.